Hey guys, I'm Hallie. Welcome to Ask an Expert with wikiHow. Today I'm sitting down with John Lundin, a psychologist here in the San Francisco Bay Area. How do you control and relieve anxiety?
Well, I'd say first off, there's only a certain amount of it that you actually have to control, right? That you shouldn't worry about having anxiety. Try to relax about your anxiety. Realize that it's going to happen. There can be way too much anxiety, and that's painful, and it's hard for a lot of people. There are a few things that I suggest people do when they're overly anxious, none of which works for everyone, so it's really important for them not to beat themselves up or feel badly if these don't work. If nothing works, that's the time to seek treatment. Meditation helps for a lot of people. There are plenty of good apps out there that are helpful for people. I recommend talking to people about it, talking to friends that are compassionate and good listeners. Reminding ourselves of our positive qualities can also be helpful, even if it doesn't seem related to the anxiety. If we're anxious about this, and to reassure ourselves that we're good people, that we're okay, because that's part of what we can be anxious about and not even know we're anxious about it.